I do biology, and this is the building I live in, Emily Morris, or Staircase 4. Let's go check it out. One of the fun features that I really like is this window on one of the upper floors. It goes like this, and you can see a view of Oxford, including the Nuffield College. Emily Morris has 3.5 floors. There is a laundry room with 2 washing machines and 2 dryer machines, a common area that we really love, a kitchen, 1 per building, and a few rooms for our tutors, as well as perfect bathrooms. They're clean, they're really bright, spacious, and really comfortable. Welcome to my room 24A. Let's go see what's inside. Emily Morris is quite an old, I'd say even vintage building, so every room here is slightly different, but there are a few core things that you can expect from your room, one of which is wooden furniture, which I personally love. We have desks with multiple cupboards to store your essentials, as well as wardrobes for clothes, hooks to hang up your clothes as well. Some beds have underbed storage, which I find really useful, and a few giant pin boards in your room that you can definitely expect. One of my favorite parts of my room is probably this windowsill, because I can sit here and study or look at the sun. My friends live right across in those windows right there, so in the morning sometimes wave at each other. There are also squirrels running around, or birds chirping, or I can look at the rain, and it's just really nice out here.